This AI website lets you upscale your video to 4K for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this website to upscale your videos like this. So the website that I'm going to share is called vMake. You can come to vmake.ai video enhancer or you can just search for in the Google vMake video enhancer and you will find this website. And after that, you don't have to do anything, sign up or log in with your account. You can just directly upload a video. So I'm just going to drag and drop this video in the website. And this is a video that I made in Gemini AI, and it will start to process the video to UHD. So after a couple of seconds, our video processing has been completed, and now this video is made in Gemini AI and now it's upscaled to this version. So if I just play it, you can see the side-by-side comparison. You can actually see it's pretty good. As a free tool, it's upscaled the video. So the video you can use only for 5 seconds. So if you want to download this, just click on this full screen button and you can see there's the option of download. So just click on download and this is how you can download this for free. And they have also a 4K option. If you want to upscale the version to 4K, you can just click on 4K and go down and click on apply, and it will start to process the video to 4K. You can see I have already upscaled this video, so you can upscale 3 videos at a time. So this is a very useful tool. You don't have to sign in or anything. You just can upload your videos and upscale the AI videos that you made with AI. So the 4K resolution has been completed. So if I just play it again, we can see the side-by-side comparison here. If I just click on the full screen and play it. So this is pretty good for a free upscaler you can use. And the main problem is you only get 5-second preview, and you can download the 5-second preview for a video. So if you have AI video which is longer than 5 seconds, you just have to split it in your video editor and then just upscale the video and edit it in the editor. They also have specific video type for people, gaming and anime. So this is the anime video that I previously showed you. So that's it guys. This is the free website that I want to share with you. Now you can upscale your video for free. After uploading 3 videos, you can just close it like this, delete the task and upload your video again to upscale unlimited videos for free. So that's it guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.